Take me to your leader. Where's Flowie?
Like Geordie LaForge?
Yeah.
Right? You a
That's
Picard,
awesome.
man?
Totally. Yeah. I'm a sci-fi geek.
Hi, I'm here with City of Niagara Falls Mayor Jim Diodati, and we're talking about the Flowie discount program. So tell us, why should residents and property managers in the City of Niagara Falls care about the Flowie discount program?
Well, water conservation is very important to the City of Niagara Falls. And Flowie helps us to save water, money, and minimize property damage. And it gives residents access to smart water conservation technology at a much lower cost.
And I understand that the City of Niagara Falls has installed Flowie at a lot of fire stations.
Yeah, you know, it was really a key factor in determining that we had a low temperature warning. We were able to deal with it and avert frozen pipes and water damage.
In addition to the temperature alerts, Flowie detects leaks, floods, humidity, and power outages. But one of the coolest features is that it's super easy to install. In fact, it's so easy to install, I've challenged the mayor to a bit of a race.
Oh, okay.
Okay, but before we do that, who could just talk here for a second?
Set up for you.
Has anyone ever asked you, who's your Diodati? Okay. How about we race?
Yeah.
All right, so, ready?
Hands on the table.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. What the? Hey, give it back.
Thank you. Thanks for coming out.
All right, if you're a resident of Niagara Falls or a property manager and you're not Mayor Jim Diodati, go to alertlabs.ca/Niagara Falls to learn more.
They usually ask me, who's your daddy, not who's your Diodati.
Where'd they get this guy?